In your role, how do you support customers throughout their manufacturing journey at AMT?
I'm actually the first person that they will contact when they have manufacturing concern.
Within my role, I ensure that during design transfer, the customer's specification is being translated correctly.
We will ensure all the material arrive on time and to support our production to run smoothly and ship out to customer on schedule.
I support customers from design transfer to production.
Ensuring smooth communication
Requirements are met with compliance and quality solutions.
and consistent quality throughout the manufacturing journey.
If you have to describe AMT CM process in one word, what would it be?
I would say dynamic.
Integrator.
Excellent.
Efficient.
Reliable.
Tell us a time where a customer faced a challenge and how did you help them overcome it?
So there is one time that the customer came to us to tell me their pain point when they are doing manufacturing. So what I will do is I will gather a team and we will work out the solution and provide the customer with the solution.
There are times where a customer faced regulatory challenge, so they had a problem with their technical dossier. So within my scope, I help them to maneuver around the regulatory hurdle so that they can move forward with their regulatory flight path.
We had an issue where a customer faced recurring production issues affecting quality and delivery. I investigate the root cause, propose process improvement,
And work closely with the customer's design team. Once aligned on the solution, the message will pass down to operation and ensure production stay on track.
In your view, what makes AMT a trusted partner for contract manufacturing?
We listen, we act, and we deliver.
We are very dynamic, very resourceful as well, so we can actually help you maneuver around your contract manufacturing needs and also scale up whenever you need to.
Our strength lies on integration, working closely with customer and internal teams to ensure smooth collaborative manufacturing from start to end.
One-stop partner, transforming concepts, quality products from design to delivery.
Together, we make contract manufacturing easy, reliable, and precise. So find out more on how we can help you by contacting us today.